So we're on a bridge. What's going on?
Well, behind us here, there's loads of pads on the floor, and it measures how much energy you put in when you stand on it. And you've got a meter up there that shows you if loads of people are jumping on it, it goes up.
So do you think this is more of a scientific thing, or?
With Smart Energy and GB, they need to show everyone how easy it is to measure electric and to persuade people to get meters at home, and then they can see and save money on how much electric or gas they're using. So it's a simple way just to get people to know.
Well, do you think this is the way of the future, or?
Oh, definitely. It's been a laugh. I've been jumping and over the handkerchief here, and hopefully you're going to have a go now.
What we're trying to do is to make it clearer to people how much energy it takes actually to power everyday items. So on the screen you can see how many minutes, how many seconds, how many hours of power we're actually generating for a light bulb, or to power a laptop, or to power a phone.
Okay, and what is the main message trying to get across today?
So Smart Energy GB is responsible for the national campaign to tell people about smart meters. Everybody in Britain is going to be offered a smart meter by 2020. If you think at the minute, when you leave the lights on and you boil the kettle, you don't really know how that affects your bill and how much it's going to cost you. So it's about making it very clear to people and letting people get their energy use under control far more by showing them on a little screen how much it costs.